Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and this is another macro from Mr. Roy Brewer. This is part two. This is resize selection, something selected. This is unreal. If you don't know how to put them in here, please watch uh, part one. I just took this and put it over to the thumb drive and, uh, and put it over there. So it's pretty cool. So we're going to select all these. We're going to go down here to the macro and hit start. Keeping the center location, this macro will change the width and the height of the selected items to the value entered below. We're going to make them 2 inches by 2 inches. How cool is that? This is a game changer, folks. If you have a bunch of stuff on your screen, and I think it's going to work with a lot of things. So thank you again, Mr. Brewer. And if you don't know how to put them in that, load them up into your macros, watch part one. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.